how to remove deep noise in Audacity. So before starting this video, I'm just requesting you guys, please hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question, just comment below so I will try to solve it for you. Have a good day. Okay, let's start the video. So before starting your voiceover, at least give 10 seconds like without recording. Just click on the record and wait for 10 seconds. After that you can just speak what you want. So here we go. So in the start, now this section is for your noise cancellation. Let me show you how it's work. Just I'm stopping right now. Now I'm gonna select before recording the silence noise only. Now go into the effect and find here the noise reduction. Now get noise profile. Now select whole clip and then click again on effects. Now click on noise reduction once again, but now this time you need to simply click on OK. Now you can see your noise is now reduces. You can reduce it more. Just do the same process once again. Select noise reduction, select whole clip and then go again noise reduction, and that's it. Click on OK. Now you can see here. Now how can you remove these kind of spots? So just like these, and now you need to click on here silence audio selection, so it will be removed. Now you can listen your audio. So in the start, now this section is for your noise cancellation. Let me show you how it's work. Just I'm stopping right now. So in the start, now this section is for your noise cancellation. Let me show you how it's work. Just I'm stopping right now. Now I will show you the further steps in Audacity to improve your voiceover. I'm not using actually Audacity because it's waste so much time like editing. But honestly, if you have a bad mic and you want to improve your voiceover through Audacity, that's a great idea. You can improve it as well. Let's gain some audio experience, how to edit audios. So I'll show you. Just comment below for that. Have a good day. Bye bye.